In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search for apartments on Zillow desktop. Let's get you set up to browse rentals quickly and confidently. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Zillow's Rentals Center. You can go directly to the rentals page or simply visit Zillow's homepage. In the main search bar, type the city, neighborhood, or zip code where you want to rent, then press Enter. This tells Zillow exactly where to focus your search. Before you go any further, make sure Zillow knows you're looking for rentals, not homes for sale. Look along the top of the page for an option labeled Rent or For Rent and confirm it's selected. If you landed on a section for buying or selling, switch to Rent so the results show rental units only. Once the results load, you'll typically see a map on the left and a list of properties on the right, with a toolbar near the top. Click the Filters button near the top, just above the map and the list. This is where you refine what you see, so the results match the types of places you're interested in. Inside the filters, look for the Home Type section. Here, you can choose the categories that fit your search. If you only want apartments, select apartments. If you're open to other options, you can also include houses, townhomes, or condos. You can pick one or several, depending on what you'd consider. This helps keep your results relevant and saves time sifting through places you know won't work. After you apply your filters, return to the results and use the map on the left to explore location. Drag the map to move around different neighborhoods and zoom in to see street-level detail, or zoom out to compare across a wider area. As you move the map, Zillow updates the listings to match what's on screen. Click a map pin to preview a property's essentials, then open it for full details when something looks promising. The list view on the right is great for scanning photos and quick highlights side by side, while the map helps you gauge proximity to parks, transit, or your workplace. If you want to stay on top of new places that match your criteria, click Save Search at the top. Zillow will send you alerts when new matches appear, so you don't have to keep refreshing. You may be prompted to sign in so alerts can be delivered. That's it. Go to the Rental Center, confirm you're searching for rent, set your home type, explore using the map, and save your search to get updates automatically. Happy apartment hunting!